The original bass pond looks pretty good. It's down a little bit. It's not as clear as it was last weekend, that's for sure. I see some activity there on the new section. Shadow found the frog. Already coaxed it into the pond. Wow. This is clear as can be. I can see clear to the bottom. You know, it didn't lose much depth because those rocks were underwater last week, and there's one little rock poking up. So at least I know it holds water at this depth.
Deer tracks.
Yeah, there's some more deer tracks in here. You don't suppose they're drinking that muddy water, do you?
Well, maybe they're splashing around in it just to cool off.
Oh yeah. They're hungry too. My little guys here. Zoom they go. They like this corner here where there's a drain tile. Well, when it's wet, fresh water comes through there. I'm glad there's still a little water in here because I should be able to dig that down. It should be saturated. But the upper levels are going to be pretty tough to dig. We'll have to see how it goes. All right, creek chub, dinner time. Look at this, you can see all the fish whilst they come up. Well, I'm just about finished digging out the X2 section of the bass pond. I want to take it down another 6 to 12 inches depending on how far the clay will let me go. And I'm going to remove that temporary wheelbarrow ramp next to the steps. Still clear. See all the fish down there. Well, I decided not to fish this weekend. I feel like the fish are stressed out enough with the dry weather and not having any fresh water put in. The stream is too low to pump it. So, just give them a break for a while. Hopefully it's going to rain soon. Might even rain today, they say. Kind of looks like it in the distance. We need it desperately. Getting pretty shallow at this end for the fish. They seem to like hanging out here. Two or three more sessions of digging, I should have it done, and then I'll bring down the walls. Combine the two ponds. Bring on the rain, please.